Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a short unboxing for this aromatherapy diffuser. I really recommend you if you want to buy something like this. This is a PNI HU180. To check it in the store or to verify it, because this is the third one for us, and the first two was with problems. First of them was with a broken part. Second was not working properly, and this is the third one. And I hope this is working normal, because was checked in the store and there was everything okay. We bought this equipment because we have a problem with dust in this room, and the air is damn dry. It's like 20% humidity, and a normal percent is somewhere around 50. Is In these days when the humidity is 20%, it's impossible for us to breathe. It's You feel the dust in air, and this is the reason because we bought this. Of course, if you put some oil with perfume like this in water, the feeling in the room is a little bit different, but for us was important to increase the humidity level inside the room. Okay, let's unbox the equipment. Okay, first thing we have, this is like a glass with a gradation here. I don't know if it's the right word in English. Okay, with how much water to put inside and other things. Okay, here is the AC adapter. We have a user manual in hundreds of languages. Okay, and finally the mighty equipment and magic. And how do you want to say? Let's take it out. Okay, and this is the mighty equipment. Looks like wood, but it's not wood. It's plastic, 100%. You see? It's having two parts. This one, where you put the water. This is the cover, and it's really important to check where is this hole to be on this one. You see, this on this hole is coming the air, and need to go on this hole to come out here. Okay, in this time we need to put the AC adapter. One moment, because I need to make something like this. Okay, it's having a hole here. I really don't like this system because it's strange. Okay, it's somehow like this. Okay, I have here some water, clean water, and I will not use this in this moment because I already have this glass of water. And yeah, I read it in this manual a little bit, and it's strange. Okay, I think it's enough for a test. Okay, and let me rotate all these things. Yeah. we have two buttons here. I don't know if you can see. And let's plug in and make a test. When you plug in, you will hear this. In this moment, we have electricity inside. And let's put the cover. This cover is like this. It's having something like a flower, a lotus, I don't know. And check the holes. Is somehow like this. And on these buttons we have this, if I remember correctly, and I don't know if you hear the sound, and I don't know if you see the water. And on the same button we can program the equipment 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, and without stop. I will put on no stop. Okay, and here we have some light. I don't know if you can see all the lights, but I will try to make a short video to put in a corner here somewhere. And that's it. Oh, I forgot to do something. I will stop. Let me see, because I can't see. Okay, I stopped. And yeah, I forgot to do something. I forgot to put this. With this, I will transform in something special, something like this. Let's put, I will put only a little bit because we already have a perfume in our home, and I don't want to be here something like too much, you know. And yeah, let's start again. And bam, and it's ready again. Rise. This is making a little noise of is having a fan inside for doing this, and yeah, sound a little bit strange, but it's okay. You can live with something like this, and smell good, damn good. Yes, I know it's not chocolate or something sweet, but it's good. What is this? I really don't know. I don't know how to spell in English. Do you know? Tell me, please.
It's lavender.
Lavender. Okay. Okay, if you say. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you for being here with us today and for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not a subscriber for this channel. And yeah, see you next time for a new unboxing or for, I don't know, for something else. My hope is to prepare something for our stream in the next video. I don't know, is only a hope. Then see you guys, bye. Do you smell this? Do you feel this?